I'm so hungry na guys, talaga. Sobrang gutom na si tita. And we got this California chili salad. So yeah, it has feta cheese with strawberries, of course the lettuce, the greens. Yeah, it has some onions. Good, ah? Sarap. Canada is so beautiful. Wait! Oh my God! That's a boo-boo. Caught on camera. Oh my God! It's a boo-boo. So guys, I just came from church today and it was really nice because I met all these Filipinos na mga who live here in London, Ontario. Dami pala nila and apparently marami silang mga branches ng mga Christian church nila all around Canada and sobrang saya. And thank you to Pastor Jerry Berenguer and Mrs. Berenguer, and I'm gonna see you again. So I'm here, gutom na kami Miss Jay, my friend, my barkada si Jay, and we're gonna have lunch muna kasi sa sobrang gutom, and of course we're gonna meet my anak ko rin mamaya. And dito, kain muna kami. After this, magsha-shopping pa kami. Alam mo ng mga titas, di ba? I'm so hungry na guys, talaga. Sobrang gutom na si tita. And we got this California chili salad. So yeah, it has feta cheese with strawberries, of course the lettuce, the greens. Yeah, it has some onions and very light dressing. So sobrang sarap. Kasi syempre yun na naman while traveling guys. Alam mo naman nag-workout si tita ngayon. So while traveling, kailangan medyo pigil-pigil kain na sobrang heavy, di ba? So I'm trying to like, even while traveling, eat healthy if I can, di ba? So let's tikman natin kung masarap. I know masarap to, but it's actual na masarap. Good, ah? Sarap. Sarap ng feta cheese and strawberry. Look. Sarap sa strawberry. So good. It's so good, guys. You know, at the church and dami ko na-meet mga Filipinos sa church mates namin na kaibigan siya ng yung pastor nila, friend ng pastor namin sa Manila, sa River of God. So yun. And ayan, kasi syempre it's iba na yung place kung marami kang kilalang Filipino, di ba? Parang you feel more at home. Comment down below kung ganyan din ang feeling nyo. Pang ibang bansa o ibang lugar, ibang city, maraming Filipino. Mas parang you feel at home and you know you'll be taken care of. Since nandito yung anak ko sa London, Ontario, syempre iba nang marami akong kilala mga Pilipino. Although marami din akong kilala mga waray dito, friends natin dyan. But it's also nice to know, you know, galing sa iba-ibang provinces na maraming group na, you know, for whatever purpose na nandito sila. Yun, so really enjoying it here guys. Alam mo, sa Toronto, so nice also. Toronto is a big, huge city. It's sort of compared to like a mini New York, parang ganun. Pero syempre may mga traffic na doon. Dito kasi walang traffic, tahimik. Parang you get the comfort of the city kasi we have all the facilities, you know. You have the big malls, you have that. If you want big fitness centers, they have it all. Big hospitals, beautiful parks. But it's like you have the comforts of the city, but you have the comforts of like living in a, you know, in a province. Halos walang crime dito. Yun ang maganda dito. It's actually a nice place to bring up a family. Pero ako, pa-visit-visit lang, syempre, di ba? Ang tita mo, si Mommy Kring, pa-visit-visit lang talaga dito. And syempre, may dito yung anak ko. So, nag-enjoy din ako here. And yeah, so, I'm learning so much, you know. And Canada is so beautiful. Maybe next time, kung maka-vlog ako sa Banff, we go to Calgary, then you just take a car ride to Banff next time. But for now, here muna kami sa London, Ontario, and sa Toronto. So, and we'll probably go back to Niagara Falls again and go to the Niagara by the Lake. So, kakain muna kami kasi gutom na ako. So, I'm waiting for my main dish. Salad pa lang to. Mamaya I'll show you our main dish. Ito yung main dish namin. Sweet chili chicken. In-split namin ni Jay yung isang order. Ang laki pa rin. Para sa atin, di ba? Dami. Kung imagine isang tao yan, dapat one order to. So it looks really good. So, ayan, we're walking to the restaurant kasi nga, we had lunch, diba, earlier, and Asian food kami. Ngayon naman, magdi-dinner kami. After going to the mall, magdi-dinner kami. So, we wanted something nice. Guys, tinan mo to, all around Canada, may ganyan. Cannabis. Cannabis. Kahit saan, sa shock ako, culture shock ako dito, guys. Culture shock ako dito talaga. Kasi, alam mo naman, the Philippines, we don't have like that.
Yeah.
Diba? Kaya,
Oh, this is fun.
Pasensya na sa, we're downtown. We're in downtown London, Ontario.
And look, it's like 7 o'clock in the evening.
7 o'clock, guys.
And it's
Tingnan mo yung
still
skies.
very, very bright. Sunset is
This-
at 9 p.m.
This place, guys, it's a city, but it's not super big city. It's not like Toronto. Kasi Toronto yung mga big city. Medyo ano to,
Katamaan ka
medyo
ng
like
bus.
a smaller city pero less in population and medyo tahimik lang. Toronto, yeah.
Walk na.
Sorry guys, sa ignorante ako. Tayo mag-walk na. Hi guys! Hi! So we're here at the Italian restaurant. Excited nga ako kasi we're gonna try this new place that na-recommend of course ng anak ko. Authentic na Italian. Look at the oven. So guys, I'm here now for dinner in downtown. And look at our starters. The burrata, guys. You love it. Grabe. So yan, may marami pang darating. So yun, kasi dito parang relax lang. Everything is so nice here. Kasi everything is easily accessible. Like it's walkable. So walang traffic. Grabe, it's so nice. And you have everything, you know. So guys, this is my main dish already. Just to show you my chicken parmigiana. And then, of course,
Truffle pasta.
So good. And we have, we're expecting another with pizza. We also have pizza. There it is. Looks so good. Tinan mo naman yan. Kaya, guys, ayoko tumaba. So, baka maglalakad-lakad ako dito ulit. Maybe tomorrow morning, hopefully. So, yeah. So, kain na tayo.
Sarap.
So good.
Wow.
Everything's so good.
It's a bit chilly now.
Chili! Medyo cold na. Alam mo naman tayo sa Philippines, ginawin. Pero sila naka-t-shirt lang, pero kami nagiginigigaw. Just kidding.
I think our Uber is here.
So I hope you're enjoying this. So
Wait, there's a car.
Ay! Oh my God! That's a boo-boo! Na-caught on camera. Oh my God! That's a boo-boo! Oh my God! Sitin ako si tita, oh. Nagtinapon yung food niyo ng sama. Kasi guys, inubos ko na tong ito yung chicken sata. Itirain ko na siya. We still have pad thai.
Yeah.
I'll show you the pad thai naman.
It's a nice restaurant.
So good. So good. Hungry ako kasi I didn't have breakfast, guys. I woke up medyo late. And this is ito naman yung pad thai. Look at the presentation. It looks so good. Sabi ko no shrimp, guys, kasi allergic na ako sa shrimp, crabs, and lobster. Sad, but still so good. Look at this. It's so good.
Yeah.
Actually, here in London, Ontario, you'll be surprised. Ang daming mga good. We're at the mall area now, but yung like sa downtown area, the Italian restaurant we were in yesterday, so good. Guys, I'm enjoying my time here and ang sarap ng food. Sobrang good and sobrang authentic. It's actually, they say it's a franchise pala. It's one here, ito yung name ng restaurant. Soltai. Yes, I'm sorry I spilled that. Ano yan, di ba? Nakakahiya. Tinaman mo si Tita Clay. Tinan mo, ang kalat ko. Kumain. Ano ba yan? Ang kalat mo. Soltai. So, Soltai. It's so good. Soltai food. Sobrang good. I really love Malaysian food. I love Chinese food and Vietnamese Thai food. Sobrang sarap. Sobrang sarap. Hindi ko naubos, pero iuwi na lang ng anak ko. The rest. So, sobrang
Nice din ang
Look at the interiors and the ambience, guys. Look at it.